Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make harira, which is a Moroccan soup dish, which is made every single day during the month of Ramadan. So let's move on to the recipe. So you saw how to make this wonderful Moroccan dish called harira. It's got protein through the meat and the chickpeas, which is so essential, especially during the month of fasting. It's fibrous, it's warming. Already, you can see the benefits of it. It's immense. It's full of nutrition, and I really hope that you guys give it a try, especially as this month is upon us, and a lot of us can benefit from the high nutritional content that consists within this harira. So with that said, you can view more Moroccan recipes within our playlist over here. You can view our Turkish lentil soup over here, and our Moroccan tagine recipe over here. And with that said, catch you in the next one.